early 2020, the Beijing Institute of Biological Products created an inactivated coronavirus vaccine. It was later put into clinical trials by the state-owned Chinese company Sinopharm. China approved the vaccine and it is also in use in Bahrain and the United Arab Emirates. Sinopharm announced on 30th of December that phase 3 trials of the vaccine showed that it was 79% effective, lower than that of Pfizer and Moderna. However, the United Arab Emirates said the vaccine was 86% effective according to interim results of its phase 3 trial. Phase 3 trials in the UAE found that the vaccine had an efficacy rate of 86% in preventing infection and it was 100% effective in preventing moderate to severe cases of the novel coronavirus. How does the Sinopharm vaccine work? Developed by scientists at the China state-owned pharmaceutical enterprise, the vaccine follows the tried and tested route of training the body's immune system to detect and destroy viruses using injections of deactivated virus. For the COVID-19 coronavirus, researchers used a compound which stops the virus from replicating but allows it to trigger a response from the immune system. The deactivated virus method has been safely used for decades to create vaccines against viruses ranging from influenza and polio to rabies. Comparison to other vaccines. Earlier this month, a vaccine developed by Pfizer and the German biotech company BioNTech became the first to announce positive early results from a phase 3 study. The results showed a 95% success in preventing COVID-19 after 2 doses and no serious safety concerns. However, the vaccine is based on a radically different method from that used in Sinopharm vaccine. Instead of using deactivated virus, the Pfizer and BioNTech vaccine reprograms the body's own cells to create fragments of the virus themselves. While the idea of reprogramming healthy cells in this way has been around for many years, it has never been successfully used before. Attempts to use it to combat other diseases have led to serious side effects. But experts point out that Pfizer and BioNTech vaccine involves much lower doses. Meanwhile, the Sputnik V vaccine developed in Russia uses a similar approach but with 2 different viruses. It is claimed to be 95% effective with around a quarter of volunteers experiencing mild side effects.